Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So guys, on today's recipe we're going to be making mac and cheese. Yeah, let's get started with this recipe. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to be adding some water and salt into my macaroni, and I'm going to be cooking it for just about 10 minutes so it won't get overcooked. I'm using the elbow macaroni. So guys, these are all the cheese and ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be dropping them all on the description box. I have some cheddar, white cheddar, yellow cheddar, mozzarella. I'm going to be using 2 carnation milk and some butter. So guys, let's start making our cheesy sauce. So I will start by putting in my butter in my pot. And at this moment, I'm going to make sure my fire is on a low medium heat. So I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, and I'm going to be whisking it. After whisking it for about 1 to 2 minutes on a low medium heat, I'm going to be using my carnation evaporated milk, which I'm going to be using 2 cans of evaporated milk. So if you like, you can use half cream and half milk. It's all your choice, but for me, I love my carnation milk on my mac and cheese recipe. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding my white and yellow cheddar cheese, and I'm going to be making a very thick and creamy cheesy sauce. So guys, at this moment my fire is still on a low medium heat, and I'm going to keep on stirring my sauce until I get that nice and thick creamy cheesy sauce that I'm going to be using today. So at this moment, I'm going to be putting in my macaroni bit by bit as I give it a very nice stir to mix it properly with my cheesy cream. So guys, I'm going to keep on mixing it with love. I'm going to stir this mac and cheese with love because this is one of my best delicacy, and I make sure I put in lots of love when making my mac and cheese. So I'm going to go ahead to season up my mac and cheese. If you like, you can use any season of your choice, but today I'm going to be using some smoked paprika, black pepper, and some salt to spicy up my mac and cheese. So after adding in my seasoning, I'm going to keep on giving it a nice stir with lots of love. Yeah, so optional guys, if you like, you can add in just 1 whisk egg. I love adding whisk egg to my mac and cheese to give it that nice creamy texture. So when I'm done mixing the egg in the mac and cheese, which is optional, I'm going to transfer it into my greased oven plate. And I'm going to use my spoon to spread it out properly. Yeah, so right now I'm going to be spreading a nice amount of my yellow cheddar cheese, my white cheddar cheese, and my mozzarella cheese on top of the macaroni. And at this moment my oven is on. I'm preheating my oven so it will bake my mac and cheese very nice and delicious. Yeah, so I'm going to be sprinkling more smoked paprika on top. This is going to give it that nice color at the top. Yes guys, so I'm going to transfer it into my 350-degree preheated oven, and I'm going to allow it to cook for about 20 minutes, and voila guys, you can see the goodness of this creamy mac and cheese. Oh my god, this is so delicious, guys. I tell you, this is delicious. And please do make sure when you're making this, don't allow it to be at the very highest part of your oven so it won't get burnt easily. Yes, guys, you can see what this look like. Yeah, if you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, share till I see you on my next recipe. Bye bye.